Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and be part of the family. I truly appreciate you watching my video. Like and share this video as well. Today's video is another food vlog, and this time it's a dessert or a snack, and what a way to kick off the holiday season. And it's my dark chocolate chickpea bark, and only 3 ingredients. The ingredients are chickpeas, dark chocolate chips, and coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. I'll put a recipe down below for easy reference. One important step is to make sure the chickpeas are dry as possible before roasting. You need to drain them, lay them out, and pat dry with a paper towel. Next is to preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a baking pan, toss the chickpeas and coconut oil together. Once coated, lay out in the baking sheet well and sprinkle with salt. And bake the chickpeas for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown, not burned. Once roasted, set them aside to cool. While the chickpeas are cooling, melt your chocolate chips in the microwave about 3 to 4 minutes. Once the chocolate is melted, combine with the chickpeas right there in the baking pan so you don't have another bowl to wash. Just make sure they're even, nicely flattened. And you can refrigerate it or put in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just kind of harden it up so that you can have like a nice shape and easier to break apart. Here's the finished product. It's really good, guys. Break apart and enjoy. It's a guilt-free dessert, sugar and gluten-free, all-natural, healthy ingredients. It's vegan, what's not to love? Share it with your family and friends. And you can store this in a container and will stay in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, but it will not last that long in my house. It's that good. So again, thanks for watching. Keep cooking and be inspired. Take care, everybody.